questions here. Penina, how are you? It's been an interesting day, has it not? This afternoon, the Lord spoke to me from Mark chapter 12, verse 41 or thereabouts. It's a story of the woman who gave 2 coins. People were giving offering, and Jesus stood by the entrance to the temple, and he was just watching. And then many people gave a lot of money. Then there was this woman who gave 2 coins, and Jesus said that she had given more than everyone else. Penina, you're wondering what this has to do with you. This is what the Lord said to me, Penina, this afternoon. I called you to do your best when serving me, not to do your best under the circumstances. There's a difference. And he said, those people who are giving a lot of money in that story, they did their best under the circumstances, or given the circumstances. But the woman, Jesus commended her because she gave her livelihood. When serving the Lord, my dear fellow musician, we are called to give our livelihood, our best, our everything, not leaving anything in reserve. That's doing my best in the service of my King. I am called to do my best in prayer. I am called to do my best in skill. Today let me emphasize skill, dear singer. Sharpen your skill and give your best, dear instrumentalist. Sharpen your skill, give your best. Don't copy some other person's giving. Don't do your best under the circumstances. I gave my everything. I did my best. Wachojo kulikuwa na traffic, alafu nikachelewa, alafu hakukuwa na time, niko na majukumu na nini. Those are circumstances. Rise above them. Rise above them and do your best for God in Jesus' name.